Welcome to my CMIT 454 CCNA Security course. Here I want to be reviewing the syllabi. I want to make sure that everyone understands the requirements and things of that nature. First of all, course contact, email and cell phone have been posted, so make sure you understand how to reach out to me. Realistically, if you want to get a hold of me, call or text me. If I don't answer, leave a voicemail, or again, text. I do a lot of working in the field, so I'm not always able to answer my email or my voice or my phone calls as often as I would like. So again, if you need help, reach out, leave a voicemail and or text me. It's also very important that you understand due dates. Due dates are crucial for success in my online classes, because you need to understand when you can turn in assignments. And I do accept late assignments, but there are penalties with them. Alright, so what is this course? First of all, the course requires CMIT 350. This course is built upon the CCNA Security version 2 curriculum. It's a comprehensive study of methods for securing Cisco system technologies. It is the gold standard typically for understanding hardening of networking devices. So you can take what Cisco is teaching you and you can broadly apply that to almost any other network manufacturer of equipment, whether it be Juniper, SonicWall, Broadcom, Palo Alto, Dell, and so forth. Again, the objective here is to create a security infrastructure and monitor, network, identify and address threats, detect and remove vulnerabilities from hardware the best that you can. Focuses developing the skills required to secure and defend a network specific to Cisco technology. Again, if you can do it with Cisco technology, you can do it with just about anything. This course helps prepare you for the Cisco CCNA security exam. Outcomes: when you leave this course, you should have learned the abilities and skills required to secure and defend a network using Cisco tech. You should be able to create a security infrastructure, including network monitoring. You should be able to identify and address threats, as well as how to detect and how to remove the threats and vulnerabilities. Guidelines: things that you need to make sure you understand is how to do the NetAcad registration. Once I have the appropriate access, I will be adding all of you to the NetAcad course. You need to be able to check your email and accept the NetAcad registration. You also need to review and register for your Turnitin.com. You also need to understand in the syllabi the originality statement. All work must be done by you. The course material has videos of someone else walking through the labs. I will also post videos of me walking through the labs. These are aids to help you, not for you to copy and cheat. Cheating, if you are caught, results in a 0. I don't tolerate cheating in any of my material, so if I believe that you are cheating, we will have a discussion. If you need help, reach out. I have developed a ton of material and a ton of resources for CCNA, CCNA Security, and CCNP. If you need something, say something. Grading: 15% participation. Labs are 30%. Quizzes are 20%. Quizzes can also be the chapter exams. CCNA Security paper is 15%. Final exam will also be 100, or final exam will be 20%. That creates our 100% total. If you have any questions or concerns about this, reach out. Lastly, expectations. Discussions will have 1 main post, 2 peer responses, and citation from literature. Labs will be complete. There should be the packet tracer file and the appropriate attached responses to the questions being asked. Chapter exams and quizzes. They'll be open for you to take. If I believe you're cheating on them, we will discuss and go from there. Lastly is the final exam. Again, if I believe that you are cheating, we'll have a discussion about it. A lot of times people ask, what do I mean by cheating? If you come across the quiz or exam answers on a website and you use them, that's cheating. If you're getting low marks on the labs, but you're getting hundreds on the exams, I'm going to know something is weird, and I may ask you supplement questions that might be similar to the exam questions to verify your knowledge. So again, if I catch you cheating, we will have a discussion about it. Lastly, CCNA security paper is 15% of the overall grade. You are required to do a paper. I will be doing a separate video explaining the paper requirements. If you need any help, reach out. I posted my cell phone and my email address, so again, if you need help, reach out sooner than later. I have lots of resources, I have lots of things to help you if you say something. I look forward to working with you throughout this course. Thank you and have a good evening.